welcome. Today we're going to be making a bait pump. So all made out of plumbing parts except for the thread and some nuts. So let's get on the workbench and we'll show you how easy it is to make a bait pump. Right, so what we have is a equal T. In this demonstration I'll be using 22mm copper pipe, so 22mm compression fitting. It's a plunger, like a bathroom tap, kitchen tap. So what we're going to do is just going to take this apart quickly. So when we take it apart, we're going to be taking the plunger out. So we're left with this piece. We're going to cut 2 bits of pipe, roughly 4 inches. A length of 22mm copper pipe. And a length of 8mm threaded bar, which is 4 inches longer than our pipe. We've got a 1/2 inch tap washer, 4 8mm locking nuts, and we're going to put a locking nut on this end. Right, so we've probably wound it on, so we've got about 15mm of thread. Get a 1/2 inch washer. I'm going to cram that on there. Our washer, which is just smaller than our rubber. And back on with a lock-in nut. So now when we do this up, it splays the washer out, so you can make it loose and tight as it goes up the tube. So that's that part done. So we're going to slide our threaded bar into our pipe. All the other cuts on the pipes can be done with a traditional pipe cutter, but on this end we're going to cut this off with a hacksaw and sandpaper it down so it's all nice and smooth, so it's easy to get our washer in and out, because obviously using one of these squashes the end down and we won't be able to get our washer in properly. Get our compression fitting, 22mm, equal T. Obviously I've already built this, so the olives are on the pipes. So there's our handle, and it also allows, when you put this plunger up the pipe, it allows the air to come out. Yes. So basically all we're doing is reducing the 22 right down to about 10mm. And we're going to place that over here so it fits in there nice and snug. Back on with this. I'll tell you what, we're nearly done. So all we need to do now is just nip it all up. all I've done is our 4-inch pipe. I've drilled an 8mm hole in the centre. So we put our nut on. Might have to hold the threaded bar while we wind this on. Moving the adjustables back onto the nut. We're just going to lock this in place. So now there's our handle. There we go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the simple make of this bait sucker. So obviously it needs a little bit of lube in there. I suggest using like fairy liquid. And as you see, this is tight up against here, and it just allows the nut to be exposed this end. So now we can tighten the washer up or down depending on how much suction we want. Alright, so I'd love to go and test this out on some flat sand, go and suck up some black lugs for me fishing trip. So I'll do a little YouTube video on that as well to show you how to get them out of the ground. Like I say, this is a 22mm, you can go 28 as well. So if you're not that confident on pinpointing them, then I suggest going 28. So, here we go. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Take care.